Hotel Shonar Bangla, Sundarbans.
A peaceful getaway surrounded by nature. It is located in village Sulki near Gosaba.
This resort sites gracefully on the banks of the river, facing the majestic tiger reserve. Spread across 14 lush acres, the resort blends village charm with modern comfort, offering a truly nature immersive stay.
From deluxe rooms to premium suites,
Many overlook the serene rivers and mangroves, wrapping you in calm from the moment you arrive. It's where luxury meets wilderness, where the sounds of the nature replace city noise, and every sunrise reminds you are in the heart of Sundarbans.
Here at Sundarbans, Hotel Sonar Bangla. Property seems very easy. My mother-in-law is probably enjoying the green grass, walking on it. Very beautiful, earthy village sort of environment here. They have one bar, one restaurant.